Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from one JP bank account to another in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with friends, sending money to family, or handling everyday finances, this process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates to Japan's banking systems. Stick around, and I'll guide you through it step by step in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have all the essentials ready. You'll need your own bank account login details, the recipient's full account number, bank code, and branch code. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups. Accuracy is key. Let's dive into the main methods. The most convenient way is through online banking. Start by logging into your bank's app or website. Most major JP banks like Mizuho, Sumitomo, or Japan Post Bank have secure platforms. Once you're in, look for the Transfer or Remittance section. Select Domestic Transfer, since we're dealing with accounts in Japan. Next, enter the recipient's details carefully. Input the bank code, branch number, account number, and the amount you want to send. Don't forget to add a reference or memo if needed. It helps the recipient know what the money is for. Review everything, then confirm the transaction. In 2025, many banks now use biometric verification like fingerprint or Face ID for added security, so you might see that pop up. If you prefer not to use online methods, you can visit an ATM. Insert your card, select the transfer option, and follow the prompts to enter the details. ATMs in Japan are widespread and user-friendly, but note that this might involve a small fee depending on your bank. One more option is going in person to your bank branch. Bring your ID and the recipient's details, and a teller will assist you. This is great if you're new to transfers or have a large amount. Keep in mind, transfers are usually instant or take 1 to 2 business days, and there might be fees ranging from 100 to 500 yen. Always check your bank's policy. For safety, use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share sensitive info. There you have it. That's how you transfer money between JP bank accounts in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.